is Neha. I am currently studying in lab second year at Nepal Technical Institute. This is my video submission to my college. So without getting any delay, let's get started. As we all know, whole world is going through this pandemic COVID-19. The care for which is still unknown as we are speaking of it. The best we have and we can do is to identify a person and put him or her in isolation ward to prevent the further spread. In order to identify a person infected with coronavirus, generally two tests are performed. They are RDP rapid diagnostic test and PCR polymerase chain reaction. Both tests are error and sensitivity. When a person gets infected with virus stay in nasopharynx or oropharynx, and through that it travels towards lungs and person suffer from pneumonia. In order to counteract the effect of virus, our body secretes protein that we call antibody. Antibody are present inside the blood. RDT test, as its name suggests, is rapid test, can be done by anyone with little knowledge about symptoms. The common symptoms are fever, dry cough, tired, headache, diarrhea, sore throat, difficult in breathing, shortness of breath, chest pain is the symptoms of coronavirus. And the unusual symptoms of coronavirus, while most people are familiar with the hallmark symptoms of COVID-19 by now: cough, fever, muscles aches, headaches, and difficulty breathing. A new crop of medical conditions are emerging from the more than 4 million confirmed cases of the disease around the world. All infections occurs when a microorganism enters a person's body and causes harm. The microorganism uses that person's body to sustain itself, reproduce, and colonize. These infectious microorganisms are known as pathogens, and they can multiply quickly. Examples of pathogenic include bacteria, virus, fungi. They can spread in several different ways, including through skin contact, the transfer of bodily fluids, contact with faces, ingesting contaminated food or water, touching on object that a person carrying a pathogen which has also touched is infectious of infections. In RDT test, as its name suggests, is rapid test and can be done by anyone with little knowledge. It is performed with the help of kit. The same taken here is blood. This test detects the presence of antibody inside the blood produced due to the presence of coronavirus. It is less expensive in comparison to PCR test. In PCR test, the sample taken is throat swab. This test detects the actual presence of virus inside the infected person by extracting RNA from the sample and matching in this actual RNA virus. This test requires a special lab setup and is performed by experts, which makes it more expensive than RDT. Sometimes it is seen that RDT shows positive but PCR shows negative results. It is because that the body still have the antibodies prepared to remove the virus, but virus has been removed from body. So RDT in this case shows positive but PCR shows negative. That's all. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.